Make sure brand new, dog. You heard? All right, boys. What's up? So, I got the boat. I've had this boat for a minute, and this is my kind of project boat, right? It's got a Mercury 90. It's a StarCraft, a little shorty. So I just finished cleaning it up. I went through and pressure washed the whole thing. But yeah, I'm gonna start a kind of project series on this, on restoration of boats, type shit. But there was like moss growing there and roots and everything. And I literally just spent a whole day with the pressure washer, got most of it off. I'm gonna tear these side pieces off too as well, because they're all rotten and old. As you can see, I already did up here, which looks pretty good. I'm gonna be repainting this and recarpeting it and everything, repainting the trailer, because it's, as you can tell, it's seen its freaking fair share of water and age and stuff. It's just in better shape than it. I don't know. It's in fucking terrible shape, man. Oh, dropped the phone. My fault. But yeah. So basically, that's it. You can kind of see some of the moss on it. Basically, that's kind of how the whole thing looks. But anyways, yep, that's my boat. And that's about all I got for you. I just cleaned it. I'm gonna get it running, and I'll just kind of show you guys the process as the boat evolves. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hey boys, so here's a little update on the boat project. I almost got the rest of this old shit off, and I just took off the covers for the motor. I'm gonna clean those up a little bit, and now I can finally get looking at this thing to get this thing running. As you can see, it's sat for a while, so it's gonna need a clean out. But I mean, it's fresh. I mean, you can see, one hand, it'll crank the wheel and spin right around back and forth like it's nothing. But she is dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get this thing running. We'll see what happens. Well guys, here's a little progress video on the project boat. She's clean for the most part. I gotta peel this off, and almost got that one off. I got the engine covers in the garage. I'm gonna repaint them black, just sun fade. They're old. This is the motor. I'm gonna have to do some tweaking with it. Tried to give her a start after I dropped a old battery in here. Got a battery. And yeah, so I think I'm having some electrical issues, so I'm gonna be messing with that. But right now I'm just gonna tape the Mercury badges up and just respray this black and that black, just so it's nice and not so old and moldy, nasty looking, because even after I washed it, it's scuffed up and in rough shape. So I'm gonna just make that look a little nicer, and then we're gonna fuck with this thing right here. Got a nice harness that comes from the key up there all the way back through right here. I think this might be our culprit. I'm gonna check some grounds. I think this one might be where I start. I mean, my starter spins free, so I mean, that's good. That works, seems to work fine. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it definitely looks like it's probably gonna need some plugs, but I just want to hear it turn over at least before I do anything else, So yeah,